Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. If you guys like stunning and beautiful things and beautiful ideas, you like much amazing videos and amazing ideas, good looking charming videos, everybody will like more stunning designs of this video. It's all about the leather luxurious wardrobe designs. Luxurious wardrobes ideas are also trending and most demanding videos like so attractive beautiful things beautiful charming looks. We are loving very beautiful things are also most demanding designs. Good more elegant videos I have shared with you. Everybody more attractive and elegant videos. You like most stunning and beautiful ideas are also most demanding designs. In demanding videos, always be sharing most attractive design, most beautiful things. You love these designs are also loving and beautiful ideas beautiful videos in different amazing ideas. Different types of videos are all good charming design, all good most demanding videos, and different amazing videos are also most demanding designs, and different types of ideas, different amazing and beautiful videos. You looking previous videos I have shared with you. Wardrobes are good looking charming designs. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, hit the bell of all notification. Always be sharing most demanding designs in a different types of videos, in a different amazing ideas. You are loving very good looking charming videos in a different types of ideas, different amazing videos. You love these designs are also sharing most attractive videos. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos and to my channel. In a newly videos in a newly attractive designs. Take care yourself. Take care newly videos. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine.